Hi, and thank you very much for attending my ISW mini lesson. And I am very excited about what I'm going to present, and I hope you are as well. So, everybody with COVID and all those things that are happening, we're all stressed. Everybody is stressed. Um, and if I could ask, maybe if you wanted to add some comments, how many of us get stressed at work? I'm gonna you can raise your hand, right? Or at home, even do we get stressed, right? And we also maybe get stressed when we visit friends in the hospital, right? So, yeah, stress is a really bad thing. So we have to find ways in order to calm us. Now, today, I'm going to share my screen, see if I can do this. Here we go. Does everybody see my screen all
Yeah.
right? Okay.
I see.
So one way that we are um, doing managing stress, not only us, but in hospitals and those, and you may have heard this, is animals. Animals bring calmness around us, right? When we look at them and when we touch them and when we feel them. Would you agree with that? Right? Okay. All right. So, also with stress, one of the things, right, what when they can't bring, these beautiful, cute little critters in order to help us make us calm, we still remain stressed. There might be an alternative for us to use. So, Winona, if you can't bring a pet with you or a real pet, what might you bring to work with you if you're stressed?
I think even photos helps, like
Oh,
any kind of, I guess, surrogate for that kind of experience of cute. I think it's the cute that helps with pets.
yeah, just brings that, oh, right? And Alice, what type of pet might you bring to your workplace?
Well, I
Oh,
like I like folk art, and I would probably bring this tufted
okay.
puffin with me.
All right. Excellent. All right. So, yeah, so we can't always bring, our pets to work because they always have these no pets allowed policies, and that could be anywhere we go. But a lot of us suffer from anxiety and we need to be calm. So, we need healthy options, correct? Would you agree with that? Right. Okay. All right. Thumbs up. All right. Excellent. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a pipe cleaner kitty cat. All right. Now I'm going to unshare my screen, right? And why I'm choosing, can everybody see me all right with my pipe
Yep.
cleaners? All right, perfect. And if you have pipe cleaners, you can do this with me, or you can refer. I will provide you with directions at the end. Now, my objective is that I want you to recall the steps in order to create a pipe cleaner putty cat that you could put in your purse, in your pocket. So wherever you are and you get stressed, you can pull this little puppy dog even or little kitty cat out and you're going to feel totally unstressed, right? So first of all, we're going to make the head. So, and you might need some scissors. We'll be able to get by without scissors today, but over on, and maybe some tape or glue, but we'll just going to mock it up. So we have the little, so you're going to twist it around, right? And make it a little twirl it, twirl it, twirl it. It's flat, of course, right? Okay. And when you're almost getting down to the end of this little circle, you need to make ears because all kitty cats or doggies, whichever it is you're making, it could be a rabbit, who knows? There's all kinds of critters you can make that create. You have a little guy with ears, right? So you're going to take the long piece, just tuck it in behind out of the way. Okay, so there we have the head with the ears. Okay, right. Now, the next step, we have to make the body. Okay, so put your head over there on their sides because you don't need it right now. So the body, we want to make the body a long oblong shape. So you can decide how big you want the body to be. And you can make the body a different color. You could make a pretty rainbow kitty cat if you want, or dog, cat, whatever. So you see how I'm making that long? Okay. Now what I do is I use the end for the tail and I give it a little bit of a twirl. See that little tail? You could, oh, okay, maybe not. You have to tie that down. Okay, I think I got it this time. All right. Then you're going to need one more of these little things, okay? And we have to make legs, of course. So you're going to put it through, if you can see, through the middle like this, right? And we're going to bend it down. A little tricky first time out. Takes a couple of practices. You might not get it first time, but that's all right. Then I take, there's one leg. Then I bend it up in behind. Make a second leg. Okay. And then, whoops here. And we are going to twist his little legs up so that they're more proportioned to his size. Right? Everybody got that? That's his body. Are we good?
Yep.
Don't worry if you don't get it, because it took me 3 or 4 times to get it. So this is something you can go away and practice. Then what we have to do is take the head and join it to the kitty cat, and there you go. You can also put eyes on them if you like. Okay? All right. Are we good? Don't start it, like I said. I'm not going to ask you to show anybody, but if you would like to show everybody, please do. Okay?
I did mine with paper clips.
Oh,
It's very
wonderful.
I think it's more abstract.
Wow, beautiful. And we also have a kitty cat drawing. She can pin up her wall. Yeah, so use your imagination. So in closing, I'm going to ask, right? And I'm going to go back and share my screen again. Okay, come on. Did we share? There we go. Is everybody good? They can see that screen? Okay, so there's the end result. But again, paper clips, whatever works for you. Now, if you're looking, let's go through those steps one more time. All right, it's going to be control, watch. Oh, yay, I got the hyperlink. Open hyperlink. Hopefully you're going to still see. All right, everybody see that okay? All right, so you see that web. I'm going to try and bring it up. Actually, I think I can do it this way. All right, so I'm going to go backwards a little bit here. Might not have this set up all totally correct, so I do apologize. So the first step, do we remember what it was?
The head.
The head, yes, circle round, very good. Okay, the second step, well, we didn't really do this step, but because we skipped one, but we could put a piece of tape behind. So that could be your step 2, correct? Awesome. Winona, perfect. All right. Third step is what? Winona, do you remember?
Yeah, the body and then the tail.
Yes, you could do it all in one. And then you put the pieces together, correct, which is the 4th step, right? And then the 5th step, Alice?
Putting the legs through the body and then adding the head to the body.
Perfect. Good job. Everybody was paying attention. Thank you so much. And don't forget, if you want, you can also go to the dollar store and get some of those beaded little eyes and stick it right on. You've got yourself a pretty cat you can take anywhere and everywhere with you. All right, good job, everyone. So
thank
you for participating. And if you really want, I can email you the directions. Right.
Thank you, Nancy.
Okay.